Hi, good evening, everyone. Welcome to Amar Shabda Poetry Night. My name is Sababa, and today I'm going to perform a poem called The Sound of Echo. This poem is dedicated to all the people who have the courage to fight for what is right. Don't be complacent just for complacency's sake. What is wrong is wrong is wrong. And if you cannot say it, ask yourself this: what would it take for you to see what is at stake here? When would you say, enough is enough is enough? Listen to the echo of discontent. Lately, I cannot hear anything but the roar of eons of suppressed silence telling me to speak up, to speak up, to speak up, especially when it is the hardest, especially when it is needed the most. Thank you.